Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to make a baby on Remini, okay, or baby filter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click AI photos next to the enhance and we're gonna upload 8 to 12 photos or selfies. Okay, so we're gonna upload, you can choose from camera or photo library. In my case I'm gonna choose photo library. Okay, and I'm gonna add those 8 photos that I have just uploaded to Remini. Okay, next I'm gonna continue and it says pick your gender, male, female, or other. I'm gonna just choose depending on the selfie, it's female. And as you can see right here, pick a model image and I'm gonna choose this baby filter. Okay, and I'm gonna use this model image. Now as you can see right here, choose a plan and just click not sure yet and just click continue. Okay, just cancel and just go back and use this model image. Okay, so after we continue, we gotta wait for a couple seconds. And it says right here, done. Your premium account is now active to access Remini web and just, later. And I'm gonna just proceed. And it says right here, it may take 2 to 6 minutes. So we're gonna get back to you after it's finished. And after you finish, you're gonna see a notification that says your photos are ready. So we're gonna click take a look. And as you can see, this is the pictures that I've chosen in baby filter. So that wraps it up. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.